In today's video, I will walk you through how to upgrade personal to business account in PayPal. To begin, go to PayPal and log into your existing personal PayPal account using the email address connected to that account. After logging in, you will be taken to your PayPal dashboard. From there, click on the Settings tab to open your account settings. Once you are inside the Settings section, scroll down until you find the option labeled Upgrade to a Business Account. Click on that option to continue with the upgrade process. On the next screen, PayPal will show different upgrade options. If you want to keep using your current email address and convert your existing personal account into a business account, choose the option that uses your current email address. After selecting that option, click Next. You will then be asked to enter your business details. If you do not have a registered business name, enter your own legal name in the business name field. If you already have a registered business, enter the legal business name instead. Next, enter your business phone number in the required field. After that, enter your business address information. If you entered your own legal name as the business name, make sure the address matches the information shown on your government-issued identification or driver's license. Once all the required information is filled in, scroll down and review the information shown on the screen. Check the confirmation box, and then click Agree and Upgrade Account. After that, PayPal will ask you to describe your business. Choose the business type that best matches your setup. If you entered your own name instead of a registered business name, select the individual option. Next, enter keywords related to your products or services. If you cannot find an exact match, choose a category or keyword that is similar to your business activity. After selecting the category, choose your estimated monthly sales range from the available options. You will then be asked to enter additional identification details depending on the business type you selected earlier. This may include an employer identification number or other requested information. If you want to, you can also enter your website information in the optional website field before continuing. After reviewing everything, continue through the prompts shown on the screen. If PayPal asks whether you want a PayPal business debit card, select the option you prefer and continue to the next step. You may also be asked to confirm your address information before finishing the setup. Once the process is complete, your personal PayPal account will be upgraded to a business account, and the updated business dashboard will appear on the screen. At that point, the upgrade process is complete. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you successfully upgrade your PayPal personal account to a business account.